At Mold Assessment Group NC, we understand the importance of a healthy and safe home. We are your trusted partner for accurate mold assessment and comprehensive solutions. Our team of experts is dedicated to providing you with peace of mind. We'll thoroughly inspect your property, identify the source and extent of the mold problem, and develop a customized plan for remediation. Our goal is to ensure your home is free of mold and safe for your family. Our professional mold inspections are the cornerstone of our service. We utilize advanced techniques and equipment to thoroughly examine your property. This allows us to pinpoint the source, extent, and severity of the mold problem. Our detailed reports provide you with clear insights and actionable recommendations for effective remediation. We leave no room for guesswork, ensuring you have the information needed to make informed decisions about your home's health. Once the mold problem is identified, our certified technicians take action. We use industry-leading methods and materials to safely remove the mold, ensuring your health and safety are prioritized. We go beyond simply removing the mold. We restore your property to its pre-mold condition. Our experts also implement measures to prevent future mold growth, ensuring a long-term solution. Throughout the process, we keep you informed and involved, working collaboratively to achieve your satisfaction. Don't wait to address mold concerns. It can compromise your health and damage your home. Contact Mold Assessment Group NC today at 404-695-0673 for a free consultation. Our team of experts will provide you with a thorough assessment and a personalized solution. We understand the stress mold can cause, and we're here to help you breathe easy again.